Hey, what's up guys, UDRC here. Back to a quick vid. Want to do an unboxing of it's a brand called CrossRCs. I honestly have not heard of them, but I figure I'll give them a try. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, see what I got going on in this box real quick. Alright, so pop the top on it. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Alright. Go ahead. Boom. You guys see that? Picked up another crawler. I'm figuring I'd try it out. I kind of got the crawler bug right now. So this one is the Demon FR4. It's a ready to run kit. It comes in this. I got the comes in blue. It also comes in gunmetal. I actually got the gunmetal color because gunmetal is one of my favorite colors. It's gunmetal and blue, two of my favorite colors. You know, just show you guys the box, the diagram, what it looks like. All right. So go ahead and get out the box. Pop the seal, get out the box so you can see what she looks like. So this is my second crawler. My first one is the Element Sendero, ready to run. Now this also comes with a kit, an upgraded kit. I'm not ready to the point where I want to build a kit yet because I'm not that, I don't know too much about crawling as of yet, but eventually one day I probably will get into a kit. Right on top, you get a manual. It's a pretty big booklet. That's the side. Pretty big booklet. As you guys can see, I really don't read too much manuals like until something breaks, but I mean, they give you everything. You could see, I mean, it has how to rebuild it, how to build it if it was a kit. I mean, everything. All the specs is pretty good. Pretty good size manual. It's pretty good. Grab this out. All right, oh, and then there's a truck. Okay, well, it's pretty light. Get this out the way. Looks like, and then the other box. I guess this will be the transmitter. Here's a quick look of what the box looks like. A little diagram. And all that. All right. This side. All right, guys. So got the truck out. I really like the feel of it. It's a pretty. The body is pretty solid. Has black windows on it. I kind of liked the clear windows on my first one. I'm not sure why, but it has a different feel to them. It's kind of more realistic, but I don't know. I mean, like I said, I'm pretty new. That was my first initial reaction to seeing it. I said the tires are really soft and really nice. It looks like it has working light buckets in the front here. It's kind of like a hard plastic shield of some sort. The one thing I noticed is the mirror. It doesn't fold away, so I guess if it catches on something, it probably will break or something. That's a comparison to my other one. My other crawler, the mirrors fold away on it. All right, let me go ahead and pop the cover on this guy. So a quick little video. I don't want to sit here and talk on and on about this. All right, the body off. Okay. Yep, the light buckets in the front. Okay, so the light buckets in the front has lights, and I believe like the yellow lights down here also has lights connected to it as well. That and then this one. Okay, so I got the body off, which is pretty nice. I like the lights for the front, which is pretty good. Looking at it real quick, I do like it has like a tub or a chassis protection type of a covering. Cause my other one, this is all open. It kind of protects some of the dust from getting up in the chassis. Also, I like it has the battery tray in the middle, and it's a pretty big one also. That's different from the other one. This one has has adjustable shock towers. The bumper looks pretty solid. Not sure if it's adjustable. I think it go in and out, but not up and down, I don't believe. But This is my initial, just looking at the truck, the crawler. It comes with Dean's connections for the battery. And I believe it takes up to 3-cell LiPo on this. The motor, speed control, ESC, everything is up here in the front. This is the receiver, ESC, and the motors right here, as you can see. And it's a brushed motor. As I could tell, has some pretty good travel on it. All right, so underneath of the crawler, you guys can see, so it looks like it has sort of the adjustable shocks. And I like that the adjustments on the bottom, so you can just, do it that way instead of taking the body off and doing all that, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. I believe they're metal. All these linkages down here are all metal as well. Seems like some pretty beefed up components under here. All right, so let's see what else. And I think I've showed you guys the servo right there in the front. I guess a quick little unboxing of it, guys. I can't wait to get out there and run it. Let's see, some pretty good travel on it. But yeah, man, so I guess just quick little unboxing. I'll come back and get some batteries plugged up, so you guys see the lights and everything. Also, gotta open the radio. Get a little tool bag here, has a bind plug, Allen keys, and then you get your transmitter right here, guys. Nice little transmitter. It's actually just like the one on my mini Dom, my boat by Rc Demon Marine. It's a pretty good boat. You guys check that boat out, the mini Dom or Dominator by Rc Demon Marines. Yeah, it looks like pretty much the same type of radio. It's a pretty good radio, good range and everything. But anyways, yeah, decent simple radio, works pretty good. All right, quick unboxing, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.